Let's talk warranty process here for a minute. I've had some questions about that. How do you track warranty? How do you manage warranty as far as the financial aspect of the business? Now, I was taught to bill warranty at full price. There's a lot of reasons for that. One is that it allows us to track it and allows us to see missed opportunity. And that's very important because we need to see how much that's actually costing us. And those repairs would reflect what we would have time and space to do if we weren't doing a warranty job. So that's important. Second of all, in some states, like here in North Carolina, there is such thing as a use tax. And I have heard of 3 separate cases where the state came back and said, hey, you need to pay tax on this. I pay tax on all of my warranty stuff, any of my like internal stuff. It depends on like how that's laid out, what it is, and how that works. But, you know, I think that there's a chance that you may have to go back and pay tax on warranty stuff if you're not paying tax on it. So we bill it out at full price to mitigate that. The next thing that we do is we get that car or we get that ticket written up. We have all the information in it, and then we're going to pay that as a warranty payment. Now, in shop-ware, that's a other payment type. And then I use the back office, and some of you use the direct integration, but I prefer back office. You're going to use the direct integration to move that payment type directly into an expense account. For me, each technician has their own warranty account. Each advisor has their own warranty account. Each advertisement that I do has its own advertisement type, so I can track it on my P&L and I can see what the percentages are as a percentage of gross income. This is really important because that's how most of the industry tracks and benchmarks, so it gives you some good numbers to look at. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to filter that stuff out. I've got warranty tech, warranty advisor, warranty parts. I want to make something very clear I hear come up all the time. When you offer a warranty on your work, anything that's going to be done in shop, you don't need to be expecting your vendors to make you whole on that. Some of them are really cool and they're going to give you a little bit of money back to help you out, but you need to understand this is not to make you profitable. It's to kind of take the sting out of it. A lot of folks are looking at this warranty program and saying, oh, they should pay me for what it takes to do this. No, you must be profitable enough that you can cover the cost of this. You need to be profitable enough on the job to cover the tow. You need to be able to cover other things that may have damaged to a degree. I put those in to my QuickBooks as an expense type, and then I pay it out. It zeroes out on the bill. I give the client the copy. I circle it and show that it's paid in full, that we took care of it, so they can understand the value in working with us. And it allows me to track it. True, it can throw off your numbers a little bit in your shop management software, but it is still a true representation of your numbers. Now look, if you do not have clean financials in QuickBooks, that's one of the most important things that you can have as far as a business owner. Mine's not really clean right now. It's something I'm working on, but it is very important to have clean financials so you can track these things and manage these things. And so you want to know how we handle warranty? That's exactly how we do it. Most of it's self-insured, and I think that's the way that it was designed and meant to be. We can talk about part quality, and that's something that I think is going downhill right now. I think that's something for another video. We've dealt with a lot of part problems ourselves here recently. It's a thing, but you have to prepare and plan for that. So be using higher quality parts, be making sure you're profitable on your tickets. If you know a particular part line is problematic, don't buy that. Don't look for the cheapest parts you can find. A lot of things you can do to prevent heartache in these areas. I hope this helps, and I will talk to you guys real soon.